I woke up in the middle of the night the other day to my cats having turned on the self-clean on the oven, so I've decided to build a cover for it. I went ahead and I used this opportunity to sift through my never-ending scrap pile and pulled out some walnut, white oak, and purple heart. We'll rip this down into 3/4 inch strips and then laminate it together. So the footage of me doing the lamination is somewhere in the nether realm. So here is me doing just a quick simulation of it. Gluing, spreading, clamping, done. Alright, so with us unclamping it, we can now thickness plane it to the size we want it, edge plane it to remove the glue, cut it to size, and round over the edges. I'm going to put a slightly wider piece on the back of it to prevent it from sliding down. So here we're going to go ahead and rip it down, cut it to size, and then glue it on. And because I left this process so much, I made sure to cut it too short, so I get to do it again. Alright, so now it's time to clean it up, so I'll plane it nice and smooth, use a file to match the round overs as well as a sander to finish any cleanup I have to. So what I'm pointing out here is that it's too short, so I'm going to take a scrap piece, trim it to size, glue it on, and plane it flush. To make sure it doesn't slide around, I'm going to glue some magnets in. First using a scrap piece to make sure I got the right drill bit, then very slowly drilling shallow holes and super gluing the magnets in. As we are wrapping up, I'm sanding it down with 120, the edges by hand, and then I'll finish with 180. I'll clean the whole thing with some water, and then do 2 coats of tung oil. As I'm wrapping up the project, I just want to say thank you for watching, and if this provided you any sort of value, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.